In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best portable mini washing machine in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the best 5 portable mini washing machine in 2026. Number 1, 15L Portable Washing Machine, Foldable Mini Washer with Spin Basket, 3 Wash Mode Small Laundry Machine for Underwear, Clothes, Delicates, Travel, Camping and Apartment Use. 15L Compact Capacity, perfect for underwear, socks, baby clothes, t-shirts, and small delicates. Foldable and portable design, collapses for easy storage, ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. 3 Smart Wash Modes, 5, 10, and 15-minute cycles for customized and efficient cleaning. Built-in Spin Basket helps remove excess water and shortens drying time. Quiet and energy-saving low noise operation with minimal water and power. Number 2, Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine, 20 pounds capacity washer with spin dryer, semi-automatic laundry machine for apartment, dorm, RV and camping, blue/white. 20 lbs large capacity wash up to 12 pounds and spin up to 8 pounds, ideal for daily laundry, towels, jeans, and shirts. Twin tub design, separate washer and spinner tubs allow washing and spinning at the same time to save time. Powerful cleaning performance, strong motor delivers efficient washing and fast water removal. Compact and portable, lightweight and space-saving design, perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. Easy time control, independent timer knobs for washing and spinning with simple operation. Energy and water efficient, uses less water and electricity compared to traditional full-size machines. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine offers powerful and efficient laundry performance in a compact design. With a 20 pounds total capacity, this semi-automatic washer is perfect for washing clothes, towels, and daily essentials without taking up much space. Its twin tub system allows you to wash and spin clothes simultaneously. Number 3, Mini Laundry Machine, 16L, Foldable Portable Washing Machine with Spin Basket, small washer for baby clothes, underwear, socks, travel, dorms and camping. 16L Compact Capacity, perfect size for baby clothes, underwear, socks, t-shirts, and small delicates. Foldable and space-saving design, collapses easily for storage in suitcases, closets, or under beds. Built-in Spin Basket helps remove excess water after washing and shortens drying time. Gentle yet effective cleaning, designed to protect delicate fabrics while delivering thorough cleaning. Portable and lightweight, ideal for travel, dorm rooms, RVs, apartments, and camping trips. Easy one-touch operation, simple controls make laundry quick and hassle-free. The 16L Mini Laundry Machine is a convenient and space-saving solution for washing small loads wherever you go. Designed with a foldable and portable structure, this compact washer is perfect for travel, dorm rooms, apartments, RVs, and camping. Ideal for baby clothes, underwear, socks, and delicate garments. It provides gentle yet effective cleaning while helping prevent cross-contamination with regular laundry. The included spin basket removes excess water after washing, making clothes easier and faster to dry. Lightweight, easy to use, and energy efficient, this mini portable laundry machine saves space, water, and electricity, making it a smart choice for modern, on-the-go living. Number 4, Portable Washing Machine, 12L Upgraded, Foldable Mini Washer with Spin Basket and 3 Wash Modes, Deep Cleaning Small Laundry Machine for underwear, socks, baby clothes, travel, apartment, dorm and RV use. Gray/white, 12L Upgraded capacity, ideal for underwear, socks, baby clothes, and small daily laundry loads. Of foldable and space-saving design, collapses easily for storage. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. 3 Smart Wash Modes, multiple time settings deliver deep yet gentle cleaning for different fabrics. Built-in Spin Basket removes excess water after washing, helping clothes dry faster. Quiet and energy-efficient low-noise motor with reduced water and power consumption. Easy one-touch operation, simple controls make it easy for anyone to use. The 12L Upgraded Portable Washing Machine offers an efficient and compact laundry solution for small spaces and on-the-go lifestyles. Designed with a foldable body, this mini washer is easy to store and carry, making it ideal for travel, apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and camping. Equipped with 3 wash modes, it delivers deep and effective cleaning while remaining gentle on delicate fabrics like underwear, socks, and baby clothes. The included spin basket helps remove excess water after washing, reducing drying time and adding convenience. Quiet, lightweight, and energy-saving, this gray and white mini laundry machine is perfect for anyone who wants clean clothes without the bulk of a full-size washer. Number 5 Foldable Washing Machine, 8L High-Capacity Mini Washer with 3 wash modes. Deep cleaning, semi-automatic portable laundry machine for baby clothes, underwear, small items, RV and travel use. 8L High Capacity, ideal for baby clothes, underwear, socks, and small daily laundry items. Foldable and space-saving design, collapses easily for storage, perfect for RVs, travel, dorms, and small apartments. 3 Deep cleaning wash modes, multiple time settings for gentle to intensive washing needs. Semi-automatic operation, simple control with efficient cleaning performance, durable ABS material, strong, lightweight construction for long-term use. Portable and energy efficient, uses less water and electricity than full-size washers. The 8L Foldable Washing Machine is a compact and portable laundry solution designed for small loads and limited spaces. Made from durable ABS material in a modern green finish, this mini washer is perfect for washing baby clothes, underwear, socks, and other small items. Featuring 3 wash modes, it provides deep and effective cleaning while remaining gentle on delicate fabrics. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for RV travel, dorm rooms, camping, and apartments. Semi-automatic operation